Hey everyone, it's the middle of October now. I'm at Mid-Sound, Long Island, targeting Blackfish. I picked up some Asian crabs along the shore earlier and got some green crab from the local taco shop, just in case I needed them. Along with that, I also got some shrimp from the local supermarket and leftover clam in case I'm targeting porgies. This porgy didn't hit the clam at all, but on the Asian crab. It's pulling drag and making several Daiwa at it. I pulled up some jumbos before, but this one easily tops them all. It doesn't look like it, but I'll say it's close to 16 or 17 inches. It's pretty hefty too. I would say maybe around 3 pounds. My target today is actually Blackfish, but I'm happy with the monster porgy as well. I'm hooked up again. It's also on crab. This one got a little heft to it, so I thought it was a Blackfish at first, but then there is the head shake and the tugging, which makes me think it's another monster porgy. So once it surfaced, I'm pleasantly surprised at the nice sized black sea bass, the sea biscuit. I also caught a few more smaller sized ones during this outing as well. I'm terrible with the netting today. No other word to describe it. So I'm fishing in about 20 feet of water. Check my last video for an underwater view of this area that I'm fishing in. I'm using a slow fall jig with assist hooks on both ends. I didn't feel like using a tog jig. I really don't see any difference, but I'm sure other people have their preferences as well. So use whatever works for you, I guess. Here I'm putting Asian crab and shrimp on each hook. I found that the shrimp tend to get hit quicker. Might be the porgy doing their thing. It didn't take them too long for them to latch on to the bait, but it came off, so I just dropped right back down, hoping they would come back. They are still hungry, and it came right back. Hoping it's a better hook set this time around. This guy's a little short, so back it goes. The belly is up. I thought it was gonna die, but nope. It's good. Off we go again. I'm just putting one crab and one shrimp on each hook. I think these are grass shrimps. They're really tiny. I'm getting some talk actions among all those porgies below, so I'm okay with this. I could go on for a while, even though this guy is a short. It's okay. back now again with the same setup, crab and shrimp, on a, I believe it's a number 2 hook or number 3. I don't think anything bigger than that. Fish on, and this guy feels a little bit better than before. Oh yeah, it's pull and drag, and it doesn't like the surface. This guy's the keeper. I'm inviting him over to my house for dinner. Okay, this one is the real surprise. Wait till you see it when it comes up. I got a twin at the end of my line. No wonder it felt like a decent sized fish from how heavy it feel. 2 togs and 1 jig. This is the first for me here. Oops, this guy comes off, doesn't want to come in. As I'm rebaiting, pay close attention to my rod on the holder. Something hit it really hard. It broke off my line. It could be a bluefish or a really oversized tog. Not sure what it is, and we'll never know. this will be my last fish for this outing, so I'll stop narrating here. Enjoy the rest of the clip. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to leave a comment, a like, a dislike, and please subscribe. Thank you.